Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to fix earbuds not connecting to your smart TV. So first thing is go to the settings and here remote and accessories. Any previously device then any previously audio device then disconnect it. And now try to connect your earbuds. If this not work, the second method is reset your earbuds. In your earbuds, find the reset button and hold the reset button. Set your earbuds to Bluetooth mode and then try to connect. If this not work, the third method is directly unplug your TV.
Try to connect your earbuds.
And then try to connect your. If this not work, the final method is in your TV. If you has Bluetooth mode, then on the Bluetooth mode. So now let's connect the earbuds. Go to the settings and here remote and accessories. Here add accessories. And here you can see AirPods Pro 2. Your name is given. Pair. It is pairing. You can see it is paired. Whatever you play in your TV, the sound will come in your earbuds. So this is a way to fix earbuds not connecting to your smart TV. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.